It's Access Media Entertainment. It's Gastel. Talking to you, Mr. Politician. Every time you come around here with your politics, poor people are sick and tired of this. Can I say something? Only rich people alone can afford them rent, and poor people money it not sufficient. I'm talking to you, Mr. Heads of Government, upper Parliament. I said it evident. Only rich people alone can afford the rent, and poor people money it not sufficient. I'm talking to you, Heads of Government, up in Parliament. Wanna bring in the crack and the gun, that's fraudulent. Wanna moving like you know the snake, the serpent. Wanna soon get a beating, I'm warning. Listen to the youths them, that's crying. When you not gonna raise poor people pay. When you know I gonna take the poor people hardship away. When them go to shop, all you can afford flour and chicken back. Wanna laugh at that? Oh. I said it evident. Only rich people alone can afford the rent, but the poor people money it not sufficient. Wanna split it up, yet see dividend. It's an evidence. Oh, we sicker than fed up. How much more we can take? The broken promises now go put we nowhere. Mr. Politician man, do something for the poor. Why every time police a come go down low, them a kick a poor people door? So it's evident. Only rich people alone can afford them rent, and poor people money it not sufficient. I'm talking to you, Mr. Government, up in Parliament. We want light and water, and the road want fixed too. Poor people that suffer, what the hell is this too? Get to use them crying while they shot them barking. Yeah, them murder Miss Martison early this morning, so it evident. Only rich people alone can pay the rent, and poor people money it not sufficient. I'm talking to you, Mr. Heads of Government, up in Parliament.